Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media, whatever. I'll just insert my name from now on. But today I just wanted to hang out with you all really and just show you all some of the things that I got over the weekend, and just also I'm gonna go ahead and insert some footage from the weekend, so I'll do that now. I am in Houston right now and I'm at a fun place. So I'm really excited to bring you all along. It's gonna be just a day of like shopping around. Matthew is at an event for like the Astros with his sister. I didn't want to go like always, so I figured I could shop around and bring you all along for the day. So the first place that we're at was about 30 minutes away from Minute Maid, which is where the Astros play, and it's called the Little Craft Place, which I've brought you all in the past. But they have a ton of stationery, scrapbook, and planner supplies, which is right up my alley. So I'm excited to get down to look around and just see what's new, see what else they have. I'm looking for like a journal. Like, I think they carry Archer and Olive, so I'm thinking about purchasing one of those. If not, then a Hobonichi Techo would be pretty awesome. Like something that I can journal in, basically, is what I'm looking for. I'm going, as far as like planners, I'm going towards more of like the minimal aesthetic in the sense of like an iPad. That's what I've been doing lately, but I'm gonna be a paper girly forever, so I'm really excited to look around, see if they did have, last time I was here they had some Coffee Monster Co stuff, so I'm curious to see if they have anything. I know they have once in a million, I don't know what it's called, I'll insert the name of the shop, but I love those stickers. I love like emoji stickers, so I'm gonna go ahead and look around and hopefully we find some good stuff. Okay, so that was a successful trip to Little Craft Shop. I didn't find a whole lot of stuff. Like, I feel like I have everything. I was debating between a Hobonichi Techo, like the B6 I believe it is, and an Archer and Olive journal, but I couldn't decide between one or the other, so I figured if I can't decide, that means I shouldn't be taking either one of them. So I just left them behind. And I have a Hobonichi Weeks that I do use, and I have a Hobonichi Cousin that I left half used from last year. So I figured around the time that the blank pages from the Hobonichi Cousin start showing up, then I can go ahead and jump into that and like redate it. But right now I'm at Pop Shelf, which is my first time going to this, so pretty excited. We'll see what we can find. I think I am gonna take my camera. I'm unsure if I'll take my camera or just my phone. Let's take my camera. No, I'll just take my phone just because like I'm by myself and it's like a little awkward taco to record on a camera, so I'll just go ahead and do that. So I'll bring you along, Avi. In my car because Matthew and his sister are at the ballpark, so I got me a little salad. Yay. But yeah, tons of fun. Such a great weekend. I had tons of fun going to Houston and then to like the shops that I went to. I did add the stickers that I got to my little album. If you haven't seen the sticker album video that I made, I posted it a couple weeks ago, but it's pretty awesome. Like, look at this. Look at all of this awesomeness. It's so cool that I get to add everything just in one album. I love it so much, and I want to eventually at one point dedicate just one book for just a ton of emojis, because that's like what I notice myself using the most. But anyways, tons of fun, tons of good stuff. I also decorated my Hobonichi weeks, which I posted on Saturday, and it turned out really cute. I think it turned out really pretty. It makes me really, really excited, and it's just like, you know, the fun little things in life. But how cute is this? I think it looks so stinking adorable. I'll go ahead and tag the video down below in case you're interested in watching it. Like, this is going to be definitely a planner that is just going to be fun and exciting. I also added some tabs on the side here, so if you can see them, they're just tabs that I had from Coffee Monster Co. that came in a bundle that I had purchased. And in the back I have the notes section. So I have a section that I'm going to dedicate to add literally just washi that I love. I know it's a little silly, but it's just literally washi. Did I get my shirt dirty? No, I think it was like that already. Weird. But it's like literally just washi that I love. And then after that I have a section for notes, but I'm going to dedicate it for like thoughts. Then I have one for journaling or like memories. I don't know, did I write what I wanted it dedicated for? Let's check it. So I have a section just for washi, which is pretty cool. Like, look how cute that looks. So much fun. And then I have a section back here which I did title as like thoughts. So I thought it would be like a good section to like brainstorm and just like write ideas or anything like that. And then I have another section that I divided out, but I left this one blank because I'm thinking about making it kind of like a, like just adding random things, like whether it be like a little sticker that I really like and just writing about whatever, like not necessarily like thoughts or ideas, but more of like journaling type of situation, because I don't have like a journal that I use. And then the last tab that I added is for the top 100, my 100 that they have in the Hobonichi weeks. I really like this, and I really want to start doing this, like maybe not daily, but every once in a while. So I just thought if I added a tab to it, maybe it would remind me to actually use it. But that is my Hobonichi weeks, and this little like wallet situation is holding up pretty well. I think it looks pretty cute. If I had a Hobonichi, like a regular Hobonichi weeks and not a Hobonichi Mega, I'm pretty sure it would fit a lot better, but I don't, so that's fine. But this morning we did go to Pop Shelf, the one that's here locally in San Antonio, and there's one pretty near where I live, and I got some stickers. So I got these, there's a reflection, but I got these, and they were all $1 each, so super cute. I did also get another one of these, but like different stickers, but I sent it to my friend Natasha, which she is on YouTube. Her name is La Casa de Natasha, so if you don't know who she is, like definitely check her out. Like I love her stuff, and she has like really cute and colorful things. So if you're interested in anything like that, give her a follow. I did also get another little something. Matthew got like cookies and stuff, like just like little things, nothing major. And then we came home. Well, I did ship out some packages because I had some packages to ship, but that was literally it. Oh my gosh, I hate when they put all of these stickers on the papers. So annoying. And if I had my X-Acto knife, I could just easily cut through it, but I'm gonna add them to my album, so I don't care about ruining the package. I mean the packaging. And they're already loose. Like, why is this even a thing? But yeah, cute. Like, there's this sheet, this one, and this one. So there's 3 for $1. I'm gonna add those to my little album. I will say, when I was planning in my Hobonichi weeks yesterday, I grabbed my albums, and I did notice myself flipping through it and actually looking through the stickers and using some of the stickers that I had in there. So I would definitely say 10 out of 10 recommend putting like your loose sticker sheets in an album, because I've already noticed myself using them a lot more. So yeah. Anyways, I did get these stickers. They're actually the same. I didn't know that there was 2 of them, but it's just like box stickers with like little quotes. They're so cute. It says, always dream, always love, always grow. Only you can be you. You are worthy of joy, love, and respect. You are stronger than you think. A life of love is a life of beauty. You are beautiful. So yeah. So that is what I got from that pack. And then I got this other one, which I would assume is the same one for both the sticker sheets. So pretty cute. I mean, for $1, good deal. So I'm excited. Anyways, I did want to, the main reason why I was going to record right now, I feel like I have like a ton of videos just randomly like started but never finished. So maybe I'm going to include like a montage of just everything and just kind of put it together. But yeah, these are the same. It's just 2 sticker sheets, and these are so cute. They're like thick girls, but it's like not just like thin girls. It's like different shapes and sizes. There's like a thin girl, fuller body, like like an hourglass figure, like every single shape. And it has motivation, little quotes like love your body, everybody is beautiful, stronger, you go girl, babe, yes queen. So pretty. I love this. So I really like these. I think these were such a good purchase. Technically I got each sheet for like 50 cents since I paid $1 for them, but that is everything I got. I mean, I really don't have much, but I was going to plan in my digital planner, because I'm a digital planner girly right now.
You are the director, the creator, and the writer of your story. You literally could do whatever you want. And it's just for you to sit down and navigate where you want to go. And you will get there.
I'm probably going to be including a little bit more of the digital planning journey that I'm going through right now, since it is something that I'm doing. Like, I always want to keep my channel very transparent and honest, and actually show you all what I'm doing. So that is something that I'm doing, something I'm jumping into. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it is currently mine. And I gotta keep things real with you all, so I figured I could share a little bit more about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Hope you enjoyed a little montage of this weekend and some of the videos that I've accumulated over time. But if you did enjoy this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye!